thank you very much for coming and taking the time to come out. But I really want to make this as much interactive as possible for you, so that you get the most from it today. So I'll give you a little background of who I am, why I'm here today, and really why I want to help you in your business. So I started my entrepreneurial journey. I'm a school teacher by profession, and I still teach now, because I've got 2 young kids as well, and I just want to kind of give back to my community as well and keep abreast of what's going on in education. So there's still an element of teaching, which is my other passion. I've got so many passions. So I graduated in 2001, and I went off to live in the Bahamas to teach. Next thing I know, August 2005, I'm on a plane to the Bahamas. Never been there before. So the reason why I'm telling you that story is that you're all here for a reason. You're all here for your business because you found another way. You don't want to kind of be still. You've got a passion and you want to continue that passion, but you want it to be your passion. You want to do what you want to do. So that's something that I did. So I went off to the Bahamas, and then 2009, I came back. Came back home, but I came back to have my children here, and at the time I was married. And then once I had my children, life changed again, another journey. I had a baby now, and teaching was the last thing on my mind. Marking stacks of books. I wanted to be with my children. And even now, when I see my kids and I might do the school run, or my mum picking them up and helping me out, I want to be there at school. I want to be doing that. And I love teaching. I love it with a passion. That's why I'm teaching in a different form today. I love teaching. But there was just something else that I wanted to do for me. I wanted to have that experience with my children, to see them growing up and do the things that they want to do. But also, obviously, make an income. So I started my first business called Nappytastic, which is a baby showers and baby occasions business where I host baby showers and christenings and things for people. Over time, I had more baby showers and different ones. And then I started using Facebook to get out there. I started using Instagram to capture pictures. So I was being more consistent, posting at least once a day. And then videos. Then Facebook Live became really popular in the past couple of years. So I was doing a lot more Facebook Lives. I wasn't shy to be on video, as you can tell. Because people need to see me. They need to know, like, and trust you. In order for someone to buy your product, like you've all got different products and different businesses, I need to see you. If people are not here today and they're trying to sell their product, how are they going to sell it? Because they're not here. They're not here to learn. You've got to learn. I spent a lot of money over the years on different courses, but there's so much value that I've got, I'm able to share it out to more people now. So then I started my personal brand. So online marketing is another key passion of mine. I've got many passions, but it's something that people were always asking me how to do various things on Facebook ads, or I'd get so excited when a post had gone viral. I'm like, what are you talking about? I went, it's gone viral, I've got so many things. And they have no idea what I'm talking about. Oh, you don't understand what I'm talking about. Or I'll talk about email marketing, or I've got so many leads, and it's like a whole other world. You know, it's like a whole other world. But if you're not in the online world of marketing, it is kind of another world. But I was mentored by a lady called Kimra Luna, who is an online marketer, has an online course, which I followed her course, and I met her last year. And you see different people who've been on their own journeys and very inspiring stories, and everyone's come from different paths. Everyone's got something going on in their lives. I've got so many things going on in my life right now, but I'm not letting those things affect me, because I need to make sure that I'm showcasing what I'm doing to help more people out there. So this past year, I was just recently at Dropbox. Have anyone use Dropbox, the business? Dropbox, yeah, Dropbox is really good when you're on your computer, because you've got so many things to download. So rather than having it all stored on your computer, Dropbox Business, there's a free option, but there's a paid one where you can have additional space on your laptop. So for example, if I'm here today, I can save this PowerPoint on my laptop, and then I can go on my phone, I can see it on my phone, different places. So it's like it's cloud storage really. And then last year I was featured on the BBC twice. They came to me and that was just by me just getting out there. So the first one was with a programme called Health, Truth or Scare with Angela Rippon. But again, that was showcasing my business. Even though they came to my home when I was getting very stressed out, again, it was getting myself out there so people could see what I do. I was nominated for a Forward Ladies Award a couple of years ago, and then Manchester Evening News, I was featured in there as well. So it's getting out there, getting free publicity where possible. So doing Facebook ads, doing Instagram. You just got to get out there. At BBC, from a networking event, the second time they came to my baby shower event in October, And the lady from the BBC at Media City contacted me because I went to a networking event. Another lady recommended it to me from a networking event. They came to me. So just a bit of overview of who I am, and get to know who I am.